गजाननम् एकदन्तं Om Namo Narayanaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Hi everyone, this is Vinay from Astrology. Hope all of you are doing well. So today I am starting a new series called Yantra Tantra Mantra. Okay, so in this, to start with, I am starting the education series wherein I will be providing certain mantras, yantras and tantras for better education to start with. And if you are a student or if you have children who are studying, this series is going to be very helpful, so they can follow certain tips which I'm going to give from time to time. So probably in Yantra Tantra Mantra for the education series, I might make 3 to 4 videos, and then we will move on to marriage, health, wealth, so all those aspects as we move along. So to start with, today I am going to give you 3 mantras. Okay, so if you are a student, please ensure that you make complete use of it for scoring better in your exams, doing well in your studies. And of course, if you have children, you can always encourage them to follow these yantra, mantra, tantra techniques which I'm going to provide. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the first mantra I'm giving away is for enhancing the intelligence. Okay, enhancing the intelligence of the child or the kid who is studying. And this is the mantra: Om Aim Hreem Vagdeviye Saraswatiye Namaha. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Vagdeviye Saraswatiye Namaha. So ask your kids to recite this mantra as many times as they can in the day, once they take bath, before they go to school or start their online classes, whenever they have their tests, exams, right? So please ask them to recite this mantra. And if you are a student and if you are watching this video, please ensure that you recite this mantra as many times as possible. Okay, if you want to know the mantra, please rewind this video and watch it again so that you can by heart it. Okay, now let's go to the next mantra. Okay, now the next mantra is to create interest in studies. Okay, so sometimes it so happens that the kids are not interested in studies. Okay, so in that case, you can encourage them to chant this mantra, and this mantra would slowly help them in getting interest towards studies and education. This mantra is very simple: Om Aim Kleem Namaha. Om Aim Kleem Namaha. So this is the mantra. You can chant this any number of times. Whenever you remember, just keep chanting Om Aim Kleem Namaha. Okay, so this is to get that interest towards studies for yourself or your kids. The last mantra I am giving away today is to improve the memory power, right? So we see a lot of cases that students complaining that their memory power is not that great. So by chanting this mantra unlimited times, they can see that their memory power is slowly increasing over a period of time. Okay, so what is the mantra? Om Cream Cream Cream. Very simple. Om Cream Cream Cream. Okay, so do this. Keep chanting these mantras. If you are a student, or pass it on to your kids if they are studying, and let us know after few days or months, are you seeing any positive impact of this and outcomes. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please ensure that you subscribe to this channel so that you get a auto notification whenever I post videos. Usually trying to post videos every week, so you will get auto notification and you would not miss any of my videos. And Astrologic is a community which is growing very rapidly, and we are coming together for a better cause, for transforming our lives. Okay, so thanks for watching. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.